Hello guys, today we are going to solve a very interesting cube roots of unity problem. The problem is 1 minus omega squared plus omega to the power 4 whole square plus 1 plus omega square minus omega to the power 4 whole square. So we are going to solve now. First of all, read this question. Cube roots of unity problem, you have to remember two equation. Cube roots of unity problem satisfies these two equation. One is omega cube equal 1 and another is 1 plus omega square equal 0. So from this we can write 1 plus omega equal minus omega square, 1 plus omega equal minus omega square, or we can write 1 plus omega square equal minus omega, or we can write omega plus omega square equal minus 1. So you have to remember this equation. Now 1 minus omega square, we can write omega to the power 4 as a omega cube dot omega whole square plus 1 plus omega square minus, we can write omega 4 as a omega cube dot omega and whole square. Now here 1 minus omega square plus here omega cube means 1. So 1 into omega, that means omega whole square plus 1 plus omega square minus here omega cube means 1. So 1 dot omega, that means omega whole square. Now here 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega, that means 1 plus omega means minus omega square. Here you can write 1 plus omega minus omega square whole square plus 1 plus omega square minus omega whole square. Now here 1 plus omega, we can write minus omega square. So minus omega square, here minus omega square whole square plus, for 1 plus omega square, we can write minus omega. So minus omega, here minus omega whole square. Now minus omega square, that means minus 2 omega square whole square plus minus omega, that means minus 2 omega whole square. Now for here minus and square cancel out, 2 square, that means 4, omega square to the power square, that means omega to the power 4 plus here minus 2 cancel out, 2 whole square, that means 4, and here omega square. Now here we can common this term 4, here remain omega to the power 4 plus omega square. Now we can write omega to the power 4 as a omega cube dot omega plus omega square. So for omega cube, we know that omega cube equal 1. So therefore we can write 1 dot omega. That means omega. 4, 1 dot omega, that means omega plus omega square. Now omega plus omega square. From this omega plus omega square means minus 1. So we can write this term as a minus 1. So minus 1. Here is minus 4. And this is the answer. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, press the like button and subscribe to our Mecha School.